In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a record in Zoho CRM. Whether you're new to Zoho CRM or have been using it for a while, it's essential to know how to manage your records efficiently, including deleting ones you no longer need. Let's get started with this straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step. First, you'll want to navigate to the home page of your Zoho CRM. Open your preferred internet browser, type in the URL for Zoho CRM, and log in using your credentials if you haven't already. Once you're logged into your account, you'll find yourself on the home page. This is your main hub where you have access to various tools and modules within Zoho. Now that we're on the home page, let's talk about the record you'd like to delete. Records in Zoho CRM can vary. They can be leads, contacts, accounts, or deals, depending on what you manage within your CRM. For this example, simply decide which type of record you're interested in deleting. This is crucial because your intended action will affect ongoing processes related to your business operations, so make sure you're choosing the right one. Once you've identified the record, the next step is to access the options for managing it. To do this, look for the three vertical dots, usually referred to as More Options, located next to the record. Clicking on these dots will give you a drop-down menu filled with various options you can perform on that record. This menu is very handy for quick management tasks. Now, from the drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Delete. Click on this. It's important to note that deleting a record is irreversible, and once it's deleted, you won't be able to retrieve it unless you have a backup or there's a retrieval system set up. Always double-check to make sure you're ready to delete because of this permanence. After clicking on Delete, Zoho CRM will present a confirmation dialog. This dialog acts as a final step to ensure you actually intend to delete the record. It's a safeguard against accidental deletions. Review the confirmation message carefully. If you're absolutely sure you want to proceed, go ahead and click Delete in the dialog box. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a record in Zoho CRM. In summary, smoothly navigating through Zoho CRM's interface and double-checking each step is important, especially when you're performing critical tasks like deleting a record. If you ever find yourself uncertain, or if this is your first time, watching this tutorial a couple of times can reinforce your understanding until you feel confident performing this on your own. Thank you for joining us today, and I hope this guide was helpful in mastering this aspect of Zoho CRM.